Phoenix Reflexion Supercross de Barcelone avec Justin Bogle. So Justin, good job, 1-1 today. I guess it's good to be back on track, and it's good for, for the rest of this, for the beginning of the season.
Yeah, very good for me to get a race under my belt, and we can learn and get better for our season coming up, and also have a lot of fun. You know, it's good competition. Cédric races back home too, and he always is very fast. So, yeah, there were some fast guys, so keep you on your toes. I really focused on my starts though. Get good starts, and the rest of the race is a lot better.
Though I feel like you didn't take any risk. Like, I mean, you weren't the fastest in the time practice. You kept it cool. You rode smart, I guess.
Yeah, that's the biggest thing for me. I think that's usually what I do. I try to ride smart, and I try to ride smart and make good decisions, and the end result's always better when you do that. So I did have one close call though. I did jump off the track in the semifinal of the heat race or whatever we were. So after that, I was all right, calm down a little bit, get back to doing my stuff correctly. So got good starts, tried to ride smart, and came away with a 1-1. So solid day, perfect night.
How do you adapt? How do you adjust to a track like this? It's smaller, way smaller than the ones you have back home. So how do you adapt?
Track's definitely smaller, different, but it wasn't too difficult to adjust. The track was built very well, so it was safe. It wasn't dangerously built. So we had options. We had all those things, so you could pass, and I had to make a pass that last time, so there was places for that. So track was good. It's obviously tight, but like I said before, starts are so important, especially when the track's tight like that.
How about the bike? Do you change any setups?
We had a stock KTM engine, but we brought over suspension and bars and foot pegs and things like that. So for us, all the things that you feel, we brought. So it made it a lot easier to transition. But KTM has a great bike right out of the box, so that makes it a lot easier.
Okay, thank you, Justin, and good luck for the rest of the season.
Of course, thank you.